Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to study subject verb agreement. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. A singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. The dog barks. Dog singular subject, barks singular verb. The dogs bark. Dogs plural subject, bark plural verb. Verbs do not form their plural by adding an s as nouns do. To determine which verb is singular and which verb is plural, the trick is to think which verb you would use with he, she, it, and which verb you would use with they. For example, he speaks, singular verb, speaks. They speak, plural verb, speak. She is, she was. It has singular verb. They are, they were have plural verbs. The verb am is only used with the pronoun I. The verb and its subject in a sentence must agree in person. First person, second person and third person. Given below are the three categories of person. I read first person, you read second person, she reads third person. We read first person, you all read second person, they read third person. The verb is plural if two or more singular subjects are joined by and. For example, Rahul and Sachin are playing cricket. The verb is singular if two singular subjects separated by and refer to the same person or thing. For example, my friend and guide happens to be my brother. Friend and guide, singular subject, happens, singular verb, brother, same person. The verb agrees with the first noun or pronoun when the subject consists of two nouns or pronouns joined by with or as well as. For example, my father with his brothers has bought some land for farming. My father, first noun, his brothers, second noun, has singular verb. The verb is singular if two or more singular subjects are connected by or nor, and two singular subjects are connected by either or neither nor. For example, Samay, Vijay or Naveen organizes such events regularly. Samay, Vijay or Naveen, singular subjects, organizes, singular verb. If two subjects connected by either or neither nor are of different persons, then use the verb that agrees with the subject nearest to it. For example, either you or your brothers are lying. You, subject, not nearest. Your brothers, subject, nearest are plural verb. In sentences beginning with here and there, the subject is placed after the verb. For example, here are the books, here are the notebooks and the pencils. Are verb, notebooks, subject, pencil, subject. The verb is singular if the sentence begins with each, everyone, everyone, everybody, anyone, anyone, anybody, someone, somebody, nobody, and no one. For example, each of the girls has long hair. Has singular verb. The verb is singular if the sentence begins with much, a little. For example, much of this topic has already been discussed. Much of this topic subject has singular verb already been discussed. Verb phrase. The verb is plural if the sentence begins with many, a few, several, and both. For example, a few of my friends are joining me at the camp. A few of my friends subject are plural verb are joining me at the camp verb phrase. Learn and write all exercise. Allah Hafiz.